You have 5 seconds to remember the location of the hidden items. Where is the gingerbread man? Where is the snowman? Where is the Christmas cake? Please like the video if you get first 3 answers correct. Where is the Santa hat? Where is the Christmas tree? What is missing? If you remember, write in the comments and I will like it.